Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHoseyenso Ramokgopa usamile ekutheni mancane amathuba okuba kubuyiswe uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi kulobu busika.
We are entering this winter of 2025 on a much more better footing than we did the winter of 2024. And what are those key features from a generation point of view? The first one was that we are entering this confidently in that Koeberg unit number 2 was synchronized to the grid on the 30th of December 2024.
Izolo leli zwe lingene esigabeni sesibili sohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi. uRamokgopa uthi lokhu bekungenxa yokuthi ingqalazizinda ebilungiswa kushaye isikhathi ebesibekiwe ingakaqedwa ukulungiswa.
So this represents, I think, a failure on our part to ensure that there's proper management of the OEMs, and then we have that has resulted in outage slips.
uRamokgopa uphinde wathi ukucishwa kukagesi kubangelwa ukungakwazi ukuhlela ngesikhathi.
I think we're getting to a point where there has to be consequence management. If there's a promise to bring a unit by this date, we're not sitting with a money problem, we're not sitting with a skills capacity issue, we are sitting with the ability for us to do proper planning and ensure that the units are able to come back.
Uhlelo lokucisha konga ugesi luzoqhubeka kuze kube uLwesine.